Hello guys, so today's video is going to be another organizational video for homeschool moms. So this is called a magazine file organizer, and I got them on Amazon. They come in 6, 12, 18, or 24, and I got the biggest pack. It's the 24 pack, and you can organize your material by subject. So this comes really handy. They also come in plain colors, but I decided to get the multicolor. It's like a rainbow color. So I have a set of blue, which comes in four blues. I got some reds. I got four reds, and then I got purples. 4 set of purple, 4 sets of orange, and 4 sets of yellow, and last is green. So they're pretty convenient because you can actually fold them if you don't need them anymore, or if you like move, you could still take them with you. And this is how it looks like. Sorry. So they flatten out like this, and then you push. There's no instruction, but it's very pretty self-explanatory. You push this piece in. There's like a hole in here that you can punch out. I don't know if you can see me doing this. And there is another hole in here. I don't know what this is for, but I think this is for, let me see. So you could put your labels in there, and then the bottom piece, I think you can do it like this and fold this thing in. Just be careful that you don't wreck the piece where you're folding. So it's a little bit tricky, but let's see if I can do it. Let's see. Well, they're a little bit tricky. Let me try to figure this out. I'm not really good in doing this, so I kind of wreck the first piece. I tore some pieces here, but let's try to be careful in the second one. So you just push it in, and I might have to tape these pieces because I kind of tore them, but just be careful with that. So this is the piece where you're going to put the label. There's another hole so you can push out, so you can like pull the item easily. So let's try to do the next piece and try not to tear it. It's a pretty heavy duty cardboard, so if you're careful with it, it shouldn't be a problem. So let's see if I can do this properly. So first is, what you do is fold this piece, and then fold this 2 pieces on the right and left side. This piece and this piece, and then push this whole thing down and press the last piece in like so. Oops. There you go. And there you go. I got it right this time. And then the last part is this part, which you can push in. And oh, I forgot to push this piece in, which is for the label. So that is how you successfully do that. And so now I got to push this piece in, and let's try a different color. So let's be careful. Push the pieces in. They're pretty easy to punch the holes. And then fold this 3-prong in. Fold the sides in like so. And then the last piece is the piece that you push down. Oops. So just be careful doing that. As you can see, it just snaps right in. And the last piece you push in. This is to stabilize. This piece is to stabilize the. Oops. Okay. Please push this piece in. So that piece is in. So now you got your blue one. Let's try a red one. So this is the last piece that I'm going to show you, and I'll show you the final place where I'm going to put them. Well, I'm going to show this really quick. So fold the 3 thing in, gentle, and then this last piece. Oh, sorry. So push this thing in first. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Push the stuff in, get the stuff out, and push this stuff in. And this is the stabilizer. All the way in, and that's your organizer. So where I'm gonna put them is in that. So I'm gonna have 24 over here. This is where I'm gonna put the books. And there should be 4 of each color. I'm just showing you what it looks like. So that would be where I'm going to put the subjects. Like, you can categorize them by subjects, like science would be the green, the red would be math, something like that. So that is our organizational item for today. I hope you like this video. Follow us for more organizational tips. Thank you for watching.